Hello, my name is Eddie Mang. I started Flint Knapping in 1979. I was all alone. I didn't have friends or books or computers. Didn't know anything about chipping rocks, but I did know if I hit rocks together I could break them. I had a little hammerstone that I found as quartzite cobble, and I quickly found out that this rock was much tougher than the chert cobbles that I wanted to make the arrowheads out of. So I would use this rock and break up the chert cobbles and try to shape arrowheads with this. And this is all I had. Here are two arrowheads that I made in 1979, and I only have these because Mama saved these arrowheads from my collection and stuck them in a cement pond, and I got cement still on the points where they finally fell off the cement pond. And so these are some of the very first arrowheads I ever tried to make. They're not very good. They're crappy. They're thick. They have an outline though to them. It's easy to make an outline of a point, but it's hard to thin it correctly. So that's what I had to learn how to do. If you're making thick points, don't worry. It takes some time to learn thinning. So I have a lot of plans for the rest of the year. We're going to have a lot of fun. I'm sure it's going to be exciting. I hope you'll subscribe, and thank you for watching.